No, we're not in Hawaii. And where we're at is the new Youthful Horizons building in the Spokane Valley. So let's go take a look. Hey, thanks for opening up our video today. We're doing this video about a new project that we just finished in the Spokane Valley for Youthful Horizons. We hope this video will entertain you and educate you as far as some of the latest construction techniques available today. Thanks and enjoy. David, thanks for having us out this morning. We're excited to talk about your building, share the excitement about all the components of your building, and tell us, all the components that went into the building and what you were thinking when we constructed it.
What we looked at doing was putting together a very energy efficient building using geothermal energy to heat and cool the building, to heat our pool, to heat all of our hot water. And we came up with a geothermal system through the help of Baker Construction and the engineers to actually utilize the aquifer.
And this building is about 25,000 square feet. And what do you think as a percentage you're saving energy-wise per month?
Probably 75% savings in energy.
Wow, that's incredible.
Yes.
So what would you tell other people that wanted to work with Baker Construction?
After interviewing 4 construction companies, I chose Baker. They seemed very competent, very confident in what their abilities were, and we were able to work very well together, and I would encourage anybody else to use Baker Construction.
Hey, we're up here in the occupational therapy pediatrics gym. Let me come on down now and I'll tell you some of the features of this building. Lucas, tell us some of the special features that are in this room, but also features that are in the rest of the building that make this building unique and why it's so special.
This one has a system in it that we put above the ceiling to hang the children from. That sounds bad, but it's actually a therapy type deal. And then we have special blocking and backing in the walls for the rock climbing walls. One of the other fun things that we had in here was David has a lot of children on the floors, and he wanted the floors to be comfortable for the kids. So what we've done is not only we put radiant heating in the floor system, but this gym floor is actually not made of wood, it's actually a cushion-backed material.
And all of the heat in the floor is being generated geothermally.
That's correct.
Well, that's great, Lucas. So let's go take a look at some of the other gyms here that we've got and see what other neat features are in the building.
Great. Hopefully there's no ropes in the other gym. All right, Barry, you ready for some weights now?
Upward. Okay, so we're in one of the physical therapy treatment rooms, Lucas, and tell us a little bit about what, people think it's just a room, and tell us what's different about this room.
Well, the importance of the physical therapy room is to keep it close to the orthopedic gym, which we have 6 of them right next to the orthopedic gym. Spatial relationships with respect to working on the patients. The patients are sometimes looking up at the ceilings, so you don't want bright lights down into their eyes. So we've got some indirect lighting, wall mounted, that is dimmable so that you can take the lights up or down to your need, and then the patients aren't as stressed during the process.
And those lights are also with sensors, so if we leave the room, the lights will turn off.
15 to 30 minutes, the lights will turn off, correct. Gotcha. Save energy.
Tell me why we're spending time down in this room.
It's not a very pretty room for most people, but for me this is the best room in the whole building because this has the heart of the whole system. This plate exchanger here is really where the magic takes place as far as transferring the energy from the water of the aquifer to the energy for the building to heat and cool the building.
So nature is heating and cooling this building, and it is less moving parts, less maintenance, and 75% energy, more energy efficient.
Correct.
I know as a building owner, I'm going to love this building, and I can control this remotely too, can't I?
Correct. Two things that we've got. One is from any computer that's connected to the web. If he's in Tahiti on vacation, he can pull his laptop up, get on and see what the temperatures are in every room throughout the building, what the temperatures are in the water, if the pumps are running, you know, whatever, and change those up and down.
Okay. So thank you. I think I've learned just about as much as I can learn. My brain's kind of full and I'm a little bit claustrophobic. So let's go see some of the other features of the building.
Hey Barry, wake up! We gotta go shoot this video!
That's why I have great project managers. Frees me up for the big picture, strategic planning, those kinds of things.
For commercial buildings, we have to exchange fresh air with old air into the building, no matter what, to meet codes. So we've kind of taken a new approach using an energy recovery unit, which takes the energy from the air leaving the building, runs it through this fancy wheel that has the ability to pull the energy out of the outgoing air, and then it rotates into the path of the air coming into the building, thus either heating or cooling that air. This little eye here monitors the moisture in the air as well as the temperature on the exterior, and will automatically turn on the radiant sidewalks so that David, the owner of the building, does not have to shovel any snow. There's less chance for people falling on ice.
So no snow shoveling, no liability, and energy efficient. I like that.
Now Barry, don't get in the pool again like last time, okay?
I won't, I promise.
Okay.
But Lucas, this isn't, I mean, it's just not a pool. Tell us more about the systems and how it's used and what the temperatures and humidity. Tell us a little bit about that.
Well, it is unique in that it's a therapy pool, and with that, Barry, they want to keep the water at about 92 to 93 degrees. That's unique as compared to a public pool, and adds some challenges to the heating, cooling, dehumidification, and whatnot of the room. This pool also is unique in that we don't have chlorine to treat this. We are using ozone, which kills all the bugs and whatnot in there and makes it basically drinking water quality.
I like it. So thanks for watching our video today. We hope that you had some fun. Hope you can see that we take our work very seriously. We do a great project. We do great construction, but we have fun doing it. So thanks again. Call us if we can help.